Hello everyone, today is Wednesday the 24th. I've been out for a few days sick, but I'm just easing back into things. I want to show you what's going on with our trading room. Some of the comments about how people are having success from the moderators in our trading room, what they're teaching and the trades they're calling and the analyzing the market. And I want to show some charts of what other people are doing in our Discord group. And then I have a couple of videos I recorded from last week that I never posted, so that'll be after this. But first, I want you to, this member is talking about his evaluation account, and hearing you talk through all the levels and market action has really helped me a ton as my confidence level is building each day. Super grateful for this group and BWT. And then he comments again, seeing you trade has opened up the playbook for me on how I can approach the market, and so on and so on. You can read it for yourself. So this is the core trade room, some of the comments. The actual core room is in a Zoom channel, so this is just some comments on our Discord. We have a really good group of traders in our trade room. So starting on August 1st, we're going to start charging, and it's going to be $199 a month for BWT members. If you're not a member, it'll be $399 a month. That means if you don't own the core, you don't own BWT software, you can still join the room. It'll be $399. But if you own the Autotrader, it's $199. And that money is just to pay the moderators. BWT is keeping a little bit of that money just for expenses, but the bulk of the money is going to the moderators for their time and efforts in education, running the room. Now this chart is from Kevin. He's one of the best traders in our group, and he trades exclusively in hybrid mode. Now hybrid mode is simply entering the trade on the chart and being able to use these buttons to move your stop, and then the money management follows. But it makes it easy to trade the core. He follows the core. Notice all his entries are somewhere near the core levels. Here on his chart, he has the London core levels plotted, or the overnight Globex core levels plotted. So we have core levels for the regular session and the overnight session. So a lot of times his trades are pre-market, and he doesn't trade evaluation accounts. He trades his own money. This is a real money account. So on this day, he made a total of $5,000, and he didn't have any losing trades, which is pretty common for Kevin. Here's another one of Kevin's charts. Note this trade off the point of control right here at the shortly after the open. Okay, so the point of control is established, this blue line, and then the green line is the developing point of control. By the way, this is not volume profile. We just call it that, but it is not volume profile. Another one of Kevin's charts showing couple of trades from the POC to the buy hot zone, and then back down from the buy hot zone back to the POC, and this was good for $3,000 in profits. This is from Tom, another trader in our group. He hasn't been with us that long, but he's a good trader, and he caught on to the Autotrader really quickly, and I believe this is in fully automated mode. And these templates are mostly shared with everyone here, so this was good for $2,000 profit goal on this chart. Okay, this is from one of our moderators, and this was his final for the day a few days ago, 7,800 in the NQ. And you can see some of the trades here. The rest of the video will be a couple of charts I traded from a few days back. Anyway, check out our Discord community. Send me an email for an invite, and our trade room will deliver some real value and teach you how to trade our super accurate institutional grade core levels and get you to be able to qualify for a funded account and turn your trading around. I have a couple of charts I want to show today, and then I want to show some performance from traders in our group, in our Discord channel. I traded 3 charts today. 2 of them hit a $2,000 goal, and the third one was hybrid trading, had about a $1,500 profit. This chart here is a template that's shared with our members and traded at the core levels, and the trading started at 9:38 in the morning, and by 9:41, 3 minutes later, it had hit its $2,000 goal, trading 2 contracts. This is in an Apex account, and this $2,000 goal was hit. Okay, I wanted to bring the stats over here. 3 winners, 0 losers. And there was another chart similar to this one, 31 in the morning. And you can see it took a couple of trades earlier where that other chart had this big run, but this had hit its $2,000 goal even before this big run. So imagine if I would have had a $4,000 goal, it would have been hit on these swings here, and perhaps even more as the day wore on. So this is also a slightly different time frame. This is the BWT Uni-Renko bars, and a slightly different configuration than the other chart, different start time. I staggered them out, but this hit its goal and was also done trading in about 7 minutes, and there wasn't a single loser. So the volatility in the NQ lends itself really well to the BWT Precision Autotrader. Now, the Autotrader uses the core levels as targets, not as entries, but I've been saying this for a long time. The BWT Precision Trend algorithm often lines up with the core levels and confirms. Just as you see here, these are almost perfect entries. If you were trading this manually and trading the core levels, you would execute very close to where these executions are using the core levels. Here I got trail stopped out, unfortunately, on both these. So now that the Nasdaq's trading at over 20,000, the stop lot, the trailing stops on this could probably be adjusted where this could be avoided. Okay, there was a third chart that was traded later in the day after the 2 o'clock hour, and this was mostly hybrid trading. Now, hybrid trading in the Autotrader is using the buy or sell button to enter, or a horizontal trend line entry, which is checking the box here and then drawing a trend line. And then after you enter, your profit target and your trail stops are fully automated, and also you have the use of the buttons. So if you manually want to bring your stop in by 50%, you click this button. The trail high low button brings the stop to the low of whatever bar the trade is on. You can bring the stop to break even. If the trail stop is activated, say at 50 ticks, but you're only at 25 ticks, you can activate the trail stop with this button. Trail 1, 2, 3, and 4 here is, if you're trading multiple contracts, this would bring the trailing stop of the first contract to the bid or the ask, and this would be on the second contract and the third and the fourth, and so forth. That's how that works. So with hybrid trading, almost everything is automated using the buttons, and you just kind of facilitate the entry. That's what hybrid trading is, but everything else is automated, and it works really well with our software. We've really dialed it in, and many traders in our group are using exactly that. When the market is volatile and has really good swings, you can trade fully automated. These templates are shared in our group. Okay, I can't say enough good things about our core levels, and here they are on a 3-minute chart. This is from today, Tuesday the 16th, and I just want to show you the open here went right up to the expected high from the midpoint, then blasted down below. From expected high to midpoint would be a great trade from midpoint to point of control. In the intersection with the levels, you can just see the incredible accuracy here. Once the market made a low, the 1030 recalculation was at the low mid 1 and then up to the point of control about halfway to the lower buy hot zone, and then rolled over again, made a new low, and right to the upper sell hot zone. You can see where it kind of formed a bottom here, and then up to the, from the lower hot zone up to the upper hot zone, and then back to the point of control. And you can see how the market dances around these levels. They are extremely accurate, and we have some great traders in our trade room using these levels. Anyway, check us out on our Discord channel. Send an email to the email in the description if you would like an invite to our Discord channel, and visit our website at bluewavetrading.com to find out more about the BWT Precision Autotrader and the BWT Core Levels, the very best levels in the trading business.